Hi, welcome back to a follow-up video to see how Solution Finish has done. It's approximately 5 weeks since I applied this to this lower half of the plastics on the van. It hasn't been washed at all. There's no extra coatings being put on, so hopefully it's lived up to its reputation of permanently restoring the plastics. So here we go. I'm just going to hose it down slightly. I'm going to use some Adams shampoo just to clean it, hopefully. Well, oops. I know I shouldn't do this, but it landed that side. Initially, I would say that's done very well. I did put 2 applications on it, but there's been no follow-up maintenance or anything like that with it. So let's dry it off and just see what it looks like. Well, I must say, I'm very impressed with that. It was very, very grey and very, very damaged. I tried to use back to black and various things like that without really any success at all. I used the heat gun method as well to try and rejuvenate it, and Solution Finish seems to be the actual solution. So after 5 weeks, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to do a test on the other side of the vehicle and coat it with some ceramic, possibly something like Hybrid Solutions spray on ceramic wax, and see if that aids in the actual longevity of it. I hope this has been helpful and interesting. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully there'll be some more interesting videos for you to join in with. Thank you very much. Bye.